You know, I've been itching to do something on the lathe. I have these two bowl blanks. This is a cherry blank that I turned a while ago. Unfortunately, it's got this bark inclusion that's ready to fall out of it, basically. And it's got a lot of small cracks throughout the sapwood here. It's just kind of disappointing. It looks fine up here, but I think this portion basically is kind of useless. I have this other piece of crepe myrtle that I turned a while ago as well. Sometime last year, I don't remember, but I turned a few pieces out of this crepe myrtle earlier this year, and they turned out really, really nice. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to try to make a bowl out of this, but I'm going to basically cut the top off, cut the rim off this, and glue it on here. If I orient the grain, I think it'll be okay, but they're just about the same size, so I think those will go together nicely. Bonus news, I got this grinder used just recently. Unfortunately, I haven't even plugged it in yet. Just been collecting dust, essentially. But I also got some traditional lathe tools. Well, I need to set it up properly. The guy I bought it from put this on the wrong side, so I essentially have to take it apart. I need to mount it as well. It's kind of loose. Anyway, I'll figure that out later. I may need to sand these flat just to ensure good contact. So I got another bowl blank here that, as you can see, is super warped. I have a piece of leftover zebra wood that I think is just about the right size to go in there. So I'm just going to cut it right down the middle, glue this piece in there. I recently picked up some traditional lathe tools, a couple used from a friend. That one might be too big to fit on there. Alright, so it seemed these turned out alright. I used this oil-based finish again that I'm not necessarily happy with. It turns out kind of blotchy. It's just sort of an inconsistent finish and it's not all that glossy. Not that it needs to be glossy. So this piece I think is magnolia with that one piece of zebra wood. It has a little bit of torn out grain in the center, unfortunately. This one, however, turned out really nice. I'm very, very pleased with this one. It's very curly crepe myrtle. I made some other stuff from this wood. And gluing this rim on here like this was kind of interesting too. I like that it worked. I don't necessarily think these two pieces of wood go together very well. If it was just two colors rather than three colors, I think it would be better. Anyway, that's it for this episode of Bowl Surgery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time in Cammy's Garage.